unbalanced fixed displacement vane pump, inlet port, outlet port, cam ring, vanes and a rotor. The main components of the pump are the cam surface and the rotor. The rotor contains radial slots splined to drive shaft. The rotor rotates inside the cam ring. Each radial slot contains a vane which is free to slide in or out of the slots due to centrifugal force. The cam ring axis is offset to the drive shaft axis. When the rotor rotates, the centrifugal force pushes the vanes out against the surface of the cam ring. The vanes divide the space between the rotor and the cam ring into a series of small chambers. During the first half of the rotor rotation, the volume of these chambers increases, thereby causing a reduction of pressure. This is the suction process which causes the fluid to flow through the inlet port. During the second half of rotor rotation, the cam ring pushes the vanes back into the slots and the trapped volume is reduced. This positively ejects the trapped fluid through the outlet port. The delivery rate of the pump depends on eccentricity of the rotor with respect to the cam ring. Unbalanced pressure compensated variable displacement vane pump. The parts are compensator ring, cam ring, outlet pressure, compensator piston, maximum displacement position and zero displacement or deadhead position. Variable displacement feature can be brought into vane pumps by varying eccentricity between the rotor and the cam ring. Here in this pump, the stator ring is held against a spring-loaded piston. The system pressure acts directly through a hydraulic piston on the right side. This forces the cam ring against a spring-loaded piston on the left side. If the discharge pressure is large enough, it overcomes the compensated spring force and shifts the cam ring to the left. This reduces the eccentricity and decreases the flow. If the pressure continues to increase, there is no eccentricity and pump flow becomes zero. Balanced vane pump. The parts are inlet, outlet, rotor, drive shaft, vane and a cam ring. Opposing pressure ports cancels side loads on shaft. A balanced vane pump is one that has two intake and two outlet ports diametrically opposite each other. Thus, pressure ports are opposite each other and a complete hydraulic balance is achieved. One disadvantage of a balanced vane pump is that it cannot be designed as a variable displacement unit. Instead of having a circular cam ring, a balanced design vane pump has an elliptical housing which forms two separate pumping chambers on opposite sides of the rotor. This eliminates the bearing side loads and thus permits higher operating pressures. Figure shows the balanced vane pump principle of operation.